Hey guys, I've been bedazzling a lot, and how I'm doing it with this tape, and this time I'm gonna make this lip gloss bedazzled because I really love it. It's not a lip gloss, it's a lip stain actually. Yeah, let me show you how it looks. Oh my god, sorry. Alright, let me show you. And I like to put it here too. So I'm gonna bedazzle it black. So bedazzle the lip stain with me.